We bought some 4x4 accessories off the internet. We're gonna install them and you're gonna tell me how they stack up, so let's go. Unbox it in front of your googly little eyes. We went online and decided that we were gonna buy some stuff for the 46 Triton. Today we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna show you guys what it is, and then we're gonna fit it to the car.
Valve stem.
First mod.
Covers.
Ha! Check that.
Exhaust pipe cleaner. Before and after. I don't even know what it... Oh. It's a rag in a box with a spray bottle.
Oh, here we go. Ingredients: hydrochloric acid.
My eyes, the goggles do nothing.
Please wear gloves before use.
Mint.
What do you got there?
Car voice control star atmosphere lamp. I'm going to say these are some fully sick neons for inside your car with a remote.
That should function amazingly.
And lucky last,
Turbo. We got a turbo.
sound direct translation, SDT. Electronics turbo blow off valve.
Oh, yes.
Oh, it's got a limit switch so when you hit the throttle.
Oh my God, this is going to be mint.
I got
So
that.
we need power and ground, and then we got a switch, and that's it. But anyway, thanks.
Look, it's
China.
It comes from China.
Exhaust pipe cleaner, turbo, and some fully sick lights. Let's go mod the hell out of the Triton. If you didn't know, this is our fully sick Lamborghini. I call it that because I wish it was a Lambo, but it's really a Mitzi.
It's as fast as a Lambo.
But this is our fully sick workshop vehicle, and we are going to stick those excellent parts that we just showed you.
We've already done some fully sick mods.
I reckon we'll fit our sick turbo like there
Right here.
or there. Where are these parts?
A few moments later.
What's it looks like that thing out of SpongeBob? You know that
thing out of
green,
SpongeBob?
that green monster skull thing?
Bro, check it. Oh man, they're so staying on there. Man, this is exciting. I'm excited. It's gonna be great. Yeah, like, what is it when you take your foot off or on? Or?
I don't know. Hook it up to
Yeah,
power.
put it on there.
Jesus. That's loud.
So much torque, the chassis twisted coming off the line.
Shouldn't it work when you like take your foot off though?
Yeah, because it's blow off hours.
That
Should be
is-
when you change gears
Yeah.
on
So
the clutch.
Oh, so when she puts foot on the clutch,
Yeah.
that's where we'll do it. Okay.
That was loud. I didn't
That's
like that.
stupid
I didn't
loud.
appreciate that whatsoever.
It's just gonna be hilarious, bro. Rolly will be like, what the hell? You stupid idiots. Give us a minute and we'll show you what we come up with when we get it fitted, hey? How about that? Here, grab some wires, bro.
No, I'm busy.
That's
my finger against something hard. That's not coming this way. I can't feel the wires.
That's because I haven't put them through the hole.
See what I have to deal with day in, day out.
Oh, don't lie. That's him. You know what? I'm just gonna cable tie this bad boy in here. Like that. Oh! Maybe I stick that on there.
I need somebody to tighten
Not
this.
that way. And then we can just use that for a little tie down. Yes! Alright. That's what we're doing. Definitely not gonna use their cable ties. That's what's gonna be happening all the way down the road. Look, I ended up using their cable ties because mine were too big. It's gonna work though. That's the funny thing.
So don't do this at home. Right, this thing's gonna go. What's like old mate out of, is it The Office? And he's like, shabba-babba.
There's another terminal somewhere. Where is it?
I don't know.
I took a photo. That's what you should do before you take things off of other electrical components that you don't have instructions for.
And when you have a shit memory like Brent.
I suffer from short-term memory loss.
That's not why I do it, Warnie. Sure. It's totally why I do it. All right, let's try it again. Alright, that's sick.
Check she's in neutral.
Oh yeah, she's a bit sluggish to start.
She's not loving life, the old Triton.
So now when you go,
Bob.
yes! That is legit a thing. And Riley's gonna drive down the
It's
road.
just steam, guys. It's not smoke, it's steam. It's all right. Engines do that when they're cold.
Mod 1, complete.
And then it was like, bing, I got an idea.
Here we go, we got the fully sick, like ambient
This mod will brighten
lighting.
your day.
Sure. I reckon stick one under that footwell, one under that footwell, and then 2 under the seat, and we're sweet.
That's how you hide your wiring.
Yes. There you go.
Just don't put it somewhere important where
Moving
brakes and
parts
shit
up.
are.
Yeah, you don't want to do that. Oh, this is going to be mint.
I'm going to put one on the brake pedal.
On the brake pedal?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sure Riley would love that.
Well, there's some people in the world that don't know where the brake pedal is, so they need to be able to see it.
Oh, okay.
I hate the tape that they put on double-sided tape.
Are you putting that under your footwell thing?
No, there's one there.
Have you plugged it in?
Yeah, see?
Turn it on, bruv. Let's see if it works.
Hang on.
Look at that.
Where's this one going?
Just stick it under there somewhere. Oh, have you already got one under the dash?
Yeah, I said that.
Oh, right.
It's not working, Brent.
That's because this doesn't work. You got accessories on?
Everything's on.
Oh, no.
This isn't even lighting up.
That's not turning on.
Just plug that into the head unit. Oi!
Look at that. Oh, my gosh.
What's
What?
cyan? Cyan? Cyan?
I don't know what cyan is.
Jump.
Oh, guys. Look at that ambient lighting.
Fade. This one. What about music? Don't
See,
do that.
that's how it works.
Sorry for the swearing. That just came out then.
So I'm going to say modification number 2, a winner as well. So, okay, I'm a little bit skeptical. Skeptical? That's the correct word? About this. Before use, please carefully read the instructions on the product packaging, which we read before.
So what, you got to polish it with this first?
Nah, it just says...
Well, what's this for then?
It just says spray the product on the position to be cleaned. That's literally it. Look, our tailpipe's a little bit... How you going?
Soot. What does soot get?
Well, this is a petrol engine. So,
This glove works really mint. Oh, this is doing wonders.
there you go.
Go get a grinder or something.
Go get a grinder. No, we got to try this special product. You ready? I'm going to spray
That's
it.
clean.
Here we go, guys.
Do you want me to do it? You don't have a glove. It says use a glove.
Guaranteed to work for you at home as quickly and as easily as it does right here on television.
Now we've got to wait 30 seconds, so go get yourself a beverage and come back.
One eternity later.
Look at
Looks
that.
mint.
That is brand new.
Wax on, wax off, like Mr. Miyagi.
It didn't work, so fail on that one.
Don't get that product.
But there you go.
I mean, it might work if you had a stainless steel exhaust.
yeah, that probably work a bit better. Make sure you put in the comments below what you rate our fully sick Triton mods from 1 to 5, or however many we just did, because I can't remember. You know, best to least best.
Worst?
Yeah, there you go.
Best to worst instead of best
And
to
let
least
us know
best.
if you would do that type of modification to your fully sick vehicle. Thanks very much for watching. We'll catch you next time at the Boar Shed with something less stupid.
Hooroo.
Bye-bye. I didn't realise it was that long. That's what she said.
Never has she said that.